Okay, hi guys, welcome back to Let's Suck at Retro Games, Ninja Gaiden. And we're gonna hunt down a dude who just stole a... Oh! Wrong button, wrong! Hunt down the guy who just stole our statue. Or it's not our statue, but you know, we just stole it from... got it from someone who stole it, and now we gotta hunt down a guy who stole it from us. Oh my god, it's a Castlevania bird! Or is the Ninja Gaiden bird? Well, they're pretty much the same thing. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh god! Irritating little bastard. I have to say that I hate those dogs more. Oh. Oh fuck. I was looking at the dog and hit the dude. Oh god. Oh my god. This is gonna take forever. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, I can't kill them. No. Die. Please. Oh, it's a stopwatch. Okay. There's a lot of similarities between Castlevania and Ninja Gaiden. Oh god, I'm gonna die. Whoa! Okay. Any health? Maybe? Oh god. Goddamn dogs! I only have one health. Oh, that's health. Whoa! Oh, goddammit. Ah! Ha! Yeah! Eat that! Phew! That's hard. Hard as hell. Okay. Oh fuck. Motherfucker! I have to kill those little cute birds to get the... Not these birds are not cute. But those little cute birds to get the... stuff. Oh fuck. Fuck. Don't get stuck. These birds are not cute. These I kill for pleasure. Those birds are cute. You have to kill those to get stuff. What? I want the stuff. Oh fuck. Get off. Oh god. I'm not going down there. Oh fuck. Ah, miss. God damn it. I love the throwing stars, but I hate those guys. I'm supposed to get over there, eh? Fucking A! Whew! Health, please. Please? Health? No? Okay. Oh, fuck. Ah! Fuck! Oh! Somehow the wall jump physics are just screwy. Or then I just don't know how it works. Probably the latter. I just don't know how it works. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Ha! Oh! God damn it! There were two of them! Actually, the first one just respawned immediately. But you know. I hate those birds, but I hate these dogs more. Ah! It's respawning forever. It's my personal hell. Oh god. I'm trying to do a really cool thing here. It will never work! Ha! I have huge 1 health. And it's the boss who jumps on me. Oh god. And shoots. And I have 1 health.
What is the matter with you? What the hell you think you'll do? Everyone can say you're through. You act like a holy savior, somehow so damn superior. Oh, what a strange behavior. How does it feel to be so damn self-satisfied? What does it take to get your feet on the ground? You're so late with your faith. No one can ever take you for real. You and your friends ain't more than yesterday's news. The smell of green will always turn your nose when that ain't right to those who have put their faith in you. You're yesterday's news. On the way to stardom, fortune and fame, breaking promises is the name of the game. Like a spineless craven foe, no one's gonna trust in you. You're so late with your faith. No one can ever take it for real. You and your friends ain't more than yesterday's news. The smell of green will always turn your nose, and that ain't right to those who have put their faith in you. You're so late with your faith. No one can ever take it for real. You and your friends ain't more than yesterday's news. The smell of green will always turn your nose, and that ain't right to those who have put their faith in you. You're yesterday's news.
God damn it. Yeah. Next part. I take care of this dude. See you guys then. Bye.